Hi there! Let's go through a quick overview of how to create an advanced search with automated emails in Jamf Pro. Before we begin, we need to make sure that an SMTP server has been integrated into Jamf Pro. This allows Jamf Pro to send automated emails like those we'll set up in this example. If you haven't integrated an SMTP server yet, be sure to review the links in the resources for more information. For this example, my manager wants an automated email report of computers in the IT department that haven't reported their status for more than 2 weeks. Even though this example focuses on computers, the steps to create an advanced search for devices is very similar. Let's navigate to Computers, Search Inventory. If you want to create a search for mobile devices, go to Devices, Search Inventory instead. Click New in the top right. Select Save this search. Let's practice good naming conventions and give it a name that makes it easy to identify. I'm naming mine Overdue Computers-IT. Next, click the Criteria tab. The Criteria tab is where we can add or customize search parameters to find our specific devices. Click Add in the top right to show a list of commonly used criteria. Let's find Last Inventory Update. If you don't see it listed here, click Show Advanced Criteria to expand the criteria list. Once found, click Choose to add this criteria to the search. Use the pop-up menu to change the operator to more than X days ago. We can now set the value of X in the Value field. I'm using 14, so any computer that hasn't done an inventory update with Jamf Pro in more than 2 weeks will be part of this search. Next, let's click Add again, find Department in the criteria list, and click Choose. This adds a second criteria to our search. In the Value field, we could type IT, but instead let's click the ellipsis next to the field. This will display a list of the departments previously configured in the Jamf Pro server, so you might see something different here. I'm finding IT and clicking Choose. On the left, we can change the logic joining these two criteria. This is an important distinction that can vastly change the reported results of a search. If we wanted to find computers that fit either of these criteria, we can change it to OR. But because I want to find computers that meet both of these criteria, I'm leaving this set to AND. With our criteria configured, click the Display tab. Here we can adjust what attributes are displayed for each computer in the search results. For this example, I'm selecting serial number, department, email address, and full name. With those selected, click the Reports tab. Here we have the option to select the file format and what inventory item we want the report to be based on. I'm leaving these as default, so let's click Configure Email Reports. Add the desired email recipients, give the email a subject, and write a brief message. Next, select Schedule Automatic Email Reports. Now we have some options to determine the frequency we want these reports sent. My manager wants this report every Monday, so I'm selecting days per week, Monday. Finally, we have the option to set the time the report should be sent. For now, I'm leaving it as default. With everything configured, all that's left is to click Save on the bottom right to complete the automated report setup. Thanks for watching.